I started cleaning by removing any paint that comes off easily with a palette knife. Of course, I can only do this up to about 2 days after painting. If more time has passed and the paint has completely dried and hardened, I just skip this step to avoid putting too much pressure on the palette knife and potentially damaging it. So next I use a brush cleaning medium. I am using the Sennelier non-toxic brush cleaner. I take it directly from the metal washer that I use to clean my brushes, so I don't waste any fresh product. You can also use rubbing alcohol as an alternative, and there are other special mediums for that. Feel free also to apply them using a spray bottle if that works better for you. I just use a cheap paper towel and I spread a thin layer of the cleaning medium evenly across the glass palette, making sure to cover all areas. Then I let it sit for at least 1 minute to soften the dried paint and make it easier to remove. Once the paint has loosened, I use a scraping razor to lift off the dried paint. I periodically wipe the razor clean with a paper towel and make sure that you put the razor away also very nicely cleaned. I do a final wipe down of the entire glass palette to make sure that it's spotless for the next use. Lastly, don't forget to lay the used paper towels flat to dry before disposing of them properly.